what is happening? Because the news is saying 6% commissions are gone forever. The real estate world is crashing down. What in the world is happening? So this is a hot topic for Really Mary. I've got the president of Premiere Plus Realty, our brokerage, with me today, Jillian Young. Hello, Jillian.
Hi, thank you for having me again. I always love being here.
Well, we love having you. And what we're talking about today is what's been happening in the news. And I kind of go back to lions and tigers and bears. Oh my, what is happening? Because the news is saying 6% commissions are gone forever. The real estate world is crashing down. What in the world is happening? Can you give us some insight?
Absolutely. So there's also another headline that says housing prices are going to drop dramatically as a result of the NAR settlement. So I'm sure a lot of our buyers and sellers are reading the headline news and really getting an unfavorable taste in their mouth about the real estate industry. And it's so unfortunate because there are a lot of misunderstandings about the way our industry works.
Totally.
And the way that it's always worked. But the truth of the matter is commissions have always been negotiable.
Yes.
Sellers have always had a choice of who they work with, the type of service they receive, and who they work with when they're purchasing a home, who they list with. And many listing agents have had different packages, things that they offer. And so I think it's interesting when you see the sensational clickbaity news to go, oh my gosh, something was wrong about the way that we're doing things. But the truth of the matter is it's always been something that has been discussed one-to-one between a seller and an agent and a broker, and people come to their own conclusions and always had freedom to do what they would like to do with their home.
Of course.
And the truth is, housing prices are not going to come crashing down as a result of an NAR proposed settlement. And as of the date of this recording, the settlement hasn't been approved
March
yet.
19th, FYI, of 2024.
Right, March 19th. So the settlement still has to go through the legal process. It might be higher, lower. The terms may change. We don't know. So it's sort of like the media is just grabbing onto this and trying to scare people out of selling and buying and working with an agent. Listen, this is such an infrequent and large transaction for your sellers and your buyers. And it is at their own peril if they don't use a trusted advisor to navigate them through the process, negotiate favorable terms for them, know the local market, know what they're purchasing, know what they're selling, and be able to do that effectively and efficiently. That this industry is full of good, hardworking agents who work 7 days a week on behalf of the transaction and behalf of their customer, and ensuring that they're doing things in their best interest. So it's just unfortunate the bad taste in the mouth of the media currently.
Yeah. So the media always changes, as we know, and people have a short attention span for things. The reality of this is, if the NAR settlement goes through, they're talking about putting things in place come July. So you want to stay tuned to Really Mary and really understand what's going on if this is where you consume some of your real estate knowledge, because we are in the know. We're following it. The 108-page settlement. Those are the things that we're reading. It could put you to sleep at night if you really want to read it. Jillian and Premiere Plus is the largest brokerage in the Southwest area, Southwest Florida. So, she's on top of it. But we'd love to keep you knowledgeable about it as well. And as always, if you're always interested in more information of this, you can give us a call. Our information below. Click on the links. Stay tuned here for more information because it will unfold over the next few months, and we'd like to let you know and make informed decisions. Until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group.
Jillian Young with Premiere Plus Realty.
And we look forward to seeing you next time.